Hi there and welcome to tutorial number 6. Today we're going to be doing the 6th patch in the series, and this is power brass and it sounds like this. So we'll start with an initial patch, and it just so happens that the initial patch has got both oscillators on 8 foot and both oscillators on a sawtooth waveform, which sounds like this. That's great, and we don't need to alter anything for the oscillators. So in the filter section, cutoff is you'll see on the diagram that it's there. I've got it notched number 7. Zero resonance, no modulation depth, no envelope depth. We've got the key track in as well. Okay, so we're not using the LFO at all. We do have a delay setting, but I'll come on to that later. The overdrive section is right smack in the middle for the drive, smack in the middle for the tone, smack in the middle for level. And we need to set up these envelopes. So envelope number 1, that's all the way to the left. It doesn't matter so much about the decay. The sustain is all the way to the right, as in the initial patch. But envelope 2, we need to alter the decay setting to just about there, which is before the first notch, and we can tweak that a little bit later. Okay, so it's still sounding a bit like an initial patch at the moment, but we'll put in a couple of patch cables, because what we're going to do is we're going to take envelope 2 out and put it into attenuator 1. And then we're going to take attenuator 1 out and put it into multi. And this means we can split the signal now between multi 1 out is going to go into oscillator 1. It's going to affect the pitch of oscillator 1, and multi 2 out then goes to invert. Multi 2 out into invert, there we are, and then invert out. Where's it gone? Invert out, there we are, into oscillator 2. That means that oscillator 1, not doing anything because we need to alter the attenuator. So the attenuator is going to control the amount that's sent to each oscillator. And you can see on the decay there that we're altering the pitch from high to standard pitch. So that's about there. And with oscillator 2, I'll just switch that across. It's coming from lower up to standard pitch because the signal's been inverted. Now the patch itself is a mixture of those two together, and we just need to tweak the attenuator 1 and the decay a little bit to get the effect that we want. There's 2 oscillators, and that's the kind of power brass sound that we need. So you just need to tweak these a little bit, possibly the tuning, and we'll just put a little bit of delay in there as well to complete the picture. So a bit of delay time up to there, as in the diagram. We've got a few repeats up to about there, as in the diagram, and there's our echoes. And that completes the sound.